Monkey is a place to video chat with strangers. While you're on the website, first thing is to create an account. You can use Google, Facebook, Apple, TikTok, etc. to log in. Let's simply use the Google login option for now. Connect with Google. Tick these two boxes and continue. Choose your Google account. If you're using this website for the first time, you'll get this screen which will prompt you to allow the camera access. So come to the URL box at the top, click on this icon here and allow the camera and microphone and just reload the page. At the top left side, if you click on Safety Lab, there are two private settings, block friend requests and invisible mode. If you don't want anyone to send you friend requests, you can enable this option. And the second option here, invisible mode, will hide your identity in match history. And there are some upgrades. If you want, you can check this. And there's a section here, safety guides. It gives you instruction how to report and block the users. Also, you can understand the safety measures and guidelines, etc. Now there's a theater mode. It just maximizes the size of your video. You can always go back to default mode by clicking here or pressing the escape key. And there's a free coins option. You can claim this. You can use these coins to filter the gender and country. Let's cancel it for now. On the top right side, you'll get a hashtag icon here. This is a feature that allows users to find and connect with people having similar interests. Besides this, we have got Monkey Plus feature. You can just get the Monkey Plus feature to enjoy several benefits and perks. And we have here history option that will show you a list of users whom you had been on video chats before. And there's also messages tab here. Finally, we have got the profile button. Here you can do a lot of things like edit your profile. And if you go to more here, you'll get here account and security option, block list, FAQ, community guidelines, contact us, etc. Now let's come to main thing here. That's the video chat screen. There's two modes here. Basically solo and squad. Solo means one-on-one mode. Squad means you can engage multiple users. You just have to invite someone here. You can share your link to friends and join as a couple or pairs. Let's go to solo mode. Start video chat. To skip the next user, click on this button here. Next match. Hello. Hello.
Hi,
What?
what is your name?
I'll write it. Once in a while, you'll get this pop-up which says no match times, but you can get back on Monkey Video Chat by watching the ad. And yes, you have now got the reward. You can continue to match. Start video chat once again. Whenever you get connected with new person, you'll get several options here. Add friend, and you can also report the user. What's wrong? Let's quit the chat. I have explained everything that you'll need to use the Monkey Video Chat properly. Just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.